Hello, this is the third part of the video lessons about using co-deployment.online portal that created by United Nations Economic Social Commission for Asia Pacific for promoting co-deployment projects between the road transport, energy infrastructure owners, and operators and ICT providers. So in the first part of the videos lessons, we described the process of the new user registration and creation of the new facility from the point of view of infrastructure owner. You can find these parts, the links for these parts in the description of this video. And in this part, we will be concentrating on the sourcing the new facilities by using the special methodologies that implemented within the portal and creation of the project as an environment for the future cooperation between the different infrastructure owners. So in the first part, in the two first part, we registered the user John Doe from the road builder incorporated and created the road Almaty Ponata object. In this video, we'll be starting from the registration and again repeating a little bit the process of the registration and how to use this portal. So let's create a user with the name Peter Peterson. But in this case, we will be choosing not infrastructure owner, but ICT operator or provider. So Peter Peterson will be the representative of ICT operator or provider. Let's use some email address for this user, some password that created according to the rules of the portal, and some company, Telecom Incorporated. Let's press sign up. After this, you will be logging in as a Peter Peterson from Peter Telecom. And again, let's continue from the create new facility. Because we have already created facility road between Almaty and Ponata from the user John Doe. So in this case, we will be creating the fiber optic cable line on the same road to see how we can use this portal to create the partnership on the early stage before the implementation of the projects. So fiber optic cable line, Almaty, also visible for all. We have only one type, ICT, and currently in the framework of the portal, ICT means the fiber optical cable line. Location, as was described in the previous video, you can use the coordinates or just description. You can put the additional information about the project, like technical specification, the information from the maps, and so on and so on. But let's move to the second tab that we have on the creation form, compatibility params. In this case, we also have the same parameters grouped by the same groups, like a technical, organizational, geographical, socio-economical, but with a different description, because the description is related only for the fiber optic cable lines. So let's do some change. See how it will be reflected. After the creation and the saving the project, we will see this project in the list, fiber optic cable line and Almaty Ponata. And let's see how it works in general. let's move to the new menu. For us, the search facilities, you can see it on the top of the screen. On this form, you can enter the facility's name or ID if you know. You can choose the type. In our case, we are trying to find the road for the corporation. You can enter the exact name of the owner, and also you can put the minimum compatibility level and minimum economic efficiency level. But for this, you should first of all choose your own facility, because this facility is necessary to compare the other facilities that entered by other users with your own. You can choose only one for the search. Let's use our entered fiber cable line on multi tab and see. After pressing find, we have a lot of facilities centered by different users during the trainings and so on. But let's find something that related to the previous video. In the previous video, we created the user John Doe from Road Building Incorporated, and here is the road on Matishal Ponata. So let's open the result of the finding, and we can see the information that entered by the user John Doe, including any attachments and description and so on. And here you're able to see the compatibility level of economical efficiency that's calculated by the portal. We will see how to do that in the next video. Please see the link in the description. But at this stage, we can send them some proposal. Let's make co-deployment possible. So 10 proposals. After this, we can find this proposal in the menu of send proposals. So we sent it to John Doe from Road Builder Incorporated, and here is the two facilities. We are talking about fiber optic cable line and a road on the same road on Matishal Ponata. We have the description and so on. So at this moment, user John Doe also received this incoming proposal. Let's come back to this user and see how it works. So this is the login for the user John Doe. We have inbox here, John Doe. And we received the proposal. Let's make co-deployment possible. We can open it and can see also the compatibility level of economical efficiency, descriptions, files attached, and so on and so on. And also we have the two options, decline or accept. In case of declining, the proposal will be declined, and we will not have anything for the future operating with such proposal. In case of accepting, let's do that. The new project will be created, like a co-deployment project between fiber optic cable lines and road on the same road. We have the project ID, participants, status. Let's do some summary for this and so on. So this project is something like the internal environment for the cooperation between these two users. And here they're able to make comments, to save files, to do anything that is necessary to create and establish the partnership, including the signing of the memorandum of understanding about the co-deployment between their infrastructure facilities. So just save it, and after this, you can find this project. It's in the list of the projects that And both users, John Doe and Peter Peterson, will be able to access to this project at any time when they're using the portal, and to use this closed environment for the future cooperation and creation of the partnership. So in our next video, we will be describing the process of the elements of the economical estimation, of the economical efficiency of the co-deployment, and we'll be describing the knowledge base, that a very important part of this portal.